I have excused absences, just so you know.
How's the balance with the guitar? Is the guitar too loud? Or not loud enough? Or just right, maybe? That's not a just right face. Good? Yeah? You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, this is gonna be a, if it's not loud enough, y'all have to tell me situation, because I can't tell from this side of the microphone, okay? Promise? Because like sometimes people don't tell you stuff. Like I played this show in Rockport last year for 300 people, and nobody told me, including some of you who are here tonight, that my shirt had been tucked up inside my bra for the entire first half of the show. Like nobody told me. Screw you, Susan.
Chelsea, obviously I was not at that show.
Obviously, because you would have told me.
A lot of people are like, oh, I thought that's just the way the shirt was. Until the second half, and I went, oh, it looks different. All right, level number 2.
We have reached.
You have reached the second level of Chelsea Best. You get a t-shirt. Just kidding.
That wasn't included in the ticket.
It was not included in the ticket. Because I never saw blue like that before. Across the sky, around the world. Good? Cool? Sweet. All right, guys, thanks for coming. It was really nice to see you. And let's all drink.
Next year.
So I think we have like 5 minutes. So let's take 10 and let's eat and drink a little bit and then we'll start up. Does that sound good? You can turn that booth.
Facilities of that little blue house over there in case you hadn't caught that yet.
It's really nice in there.
It is.
Nothing but the best. We make sure that you get clean porta potties.
It's a shower, isn't it?
I tried.
That's been a late.
Oh my God.